there, curious cubs! Have you ever seen a spider web and thought, whoa, how did that little spider build such an amazing web? Well, today we're going on an adventure into the tiny but super cool world of spiders. Find out how they spin their silky webs. First things first, what is a spider web made of? Is it made of cotton? Nope. Is it made of bubble gum? Haha, no way. Spider webs are not the kind of silk we use for clothes. Spider silk is super stretchy, strong, and sticky. Well, fun fact! Did you know that spider silk is stronger than steel when compared by size? That means if spiders were big enough, their webs could catch pain. Whoa! Now where do spiders get this magic silk? Do they go to a silk store? Nope. Spiders have special silk-making glands in their butts. Yup, you heard that right. Behinds. They have tiny openings called spinnerets. Can you say that? Spinnerets. That let them control the silk like a tiny thread machine. Let's see how it works. Okay, now for the coolest part. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. The first line. A spider shoots out a thin silk thread and lets the wind carry it to another surface. When it sticks, boom! Step 2. The frame. The spider walks back and forth, making the web's outline. It's like building the walls of a house. Step 3. The sticky spiral. Now the spider moves in circles, bugs. This part is like a spider's dinner plate. Bugs that fly into it, they get stuck. Can you imagine if our dinner plates were sticky like that? We'd never get our food off. So why do spiders go? Is it for decoration? Nope. It's their super clever way to catch food. Once an insect gets trapped, the spider hurries over, wraps it in silk like a burrito, and later enjoys its yummy bug meal. Super cool spiderweb facts. Fact 1. Some spiders don't even make webs. Jumping spiders and wolf spiders chase their food like tiny hunters. Fact 2. Spider silk is being studied to make super strong clothes. Fact 3. Some scientists think real-life Spider-Man suits could be made using spider silk. Whoa, does that mean Spider-Man is real? Now it's your turn to be a spider. Spider web using string and tape. Tape strings in a crisscross pattern to make a web. Toss small paper flies at it to see if they stick. It's like catching bugs, just like a real spider. Wow, spiders are tiny. Next time you see a web, you'll know the spider worked super hard to make it. Now tell me, what's your favorite spider fact? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like. Join us for more awesome adventures. See you next time, curious cubs. Stay curious. Bye!